Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Once again, I hope you are all subscribed because I really appreciate the support. And today is going to be another night routine. Well, this night routine is going to be a bit different because it's actually going to be done by my little sister, and my little sister is actually in year 4, so it's probably going to get a bit messy. But yeah, we're just gonna have to just work with it, and you're gonna see her yeah, full on in action, so stay tuned. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I've literally done I think 2 or 3 videos in one day, literally. So as I said again, my little sister who's in year 4, she's going to be doing my facial for me, and it's just simple steps. Fresh up wipes to just remove all the dirt and makeup from my face. That's going to be her first step. And then we're going to be using the Bodyshop Seaweed pore cleansing exfoliator. Yep. And then after this, after the whole facial procedure, I'm going to be using my very famous night cream, the Bodyshop Seaweed Overnight Oil Control, and this prevents spots. And guys, the reason why there is spots on my face right now is because when I normally go for a walk by the canal, as you've seen in my workout video, there's a lot of flies there. It's like swarms of flies, and they've literally bitten me in my face. And I'm going to give her a very big job. She's going to pluck my eyebrows. And guys, you know how painful it is to pluck eyebrows. I know I ain't got much. But it's quarantine. We're all bored out here. So we're going to pluck. Okay? I ain't got much. But what's there to pluck will get plucked. Right? And then, yeah. And obviously you all know this is my favourite brush. Brush. Oh, the reason why it's dark, guys, is because my charcoal paste actually ruined the colour. Yeah, my charcoal paste. So, right, let's get started. Destiny, can you just start off by wiping? Guys, this is her first time. I'll focus it more on me. Be careful they don't take up my eye. I use this, just like this, look, and my eye and everything. You could do everything. Sorry about that, guys. There's someone outside behaving very antisocial. We'll call the police soon. These wipes are so dried out. In fact, someone's been sucking on these wipes. What the? Sorry, guys. Because she doesn't want to damage me, she's not doing it hard. Because, guys, I do it hard. I do it very hard. Because I'm not trying to miss a spot and then wake up tomorrow with loads of spots on my face. Oh, and guys, as you can see in my, well, yeah, my previous video was the pound shop, not the pound shop, the pound stretcher haul. And then tomorrow me and my sister are going to be going to pound shop, and we're going to be comparing what is actually better, pound shop or pound stretcher. Okay, Destiny, there you go. You know how to apply it to my whole face. You've seen it. You've seen how to do it. Guys, ignore my mum. Rub it in circular motions. Take your time. Don't blind me. Remember, you're covering the whole face.
Really get
Well, not the eyes, but not the eyes. Please, not the eyes. And then my nose. Guys, I'm used to literally so much product. You're probably thinking there's money growing trees around here. And then use both hands on my cheeks and then just do it in circular motion. This actually is kneading dough, like, just be careful please. They don't break my cheekbones. Stop it. Carry on. This is how life is in this house. Yes, this is how life is. Here you go.
I got the cramp.
Guys, as you can see in every video, there is a disruption from a family member. It's dripping. Can you please get the product onto my face and not the floor? Do it carefully. And then my forehead. Good. And then my chin. Now guys, we're just going to let this, as you know, I let my face mask set for about 20 to 25 minutes and then we'll show you the removal. So guys, I'm in the bathroom. And just remember, cold water. And just really work it in your skin. And guys, these Bodyshop products that I have, these are the ones that ain't too harsh on the skin, because I've heard that the charcoal mask from Bodyshop is actually so strong and a lot of people have broken out from it. And if you haven't, you're one of the lucky ones. After this, I'm gonna watch a really good film on Netflix. Guys, recommend me some horror films, please. Recommend me some horrors. The last horror film I watched on Netflix was actually Child's Play. I loved it, loved it, loved it. Absolutely loved it. I'm a big fan of horror films. My sister is going to do my eyebrows. And guys, if you're wondering why there's a scar here, look at my previous video and you know what happened. Yeah, so she's going to be using the Revive Beauty the Revive Beauty slanted tweezer to get my eyebrows back in shape. As you can see, it's the arch that's just really just gone overboard. And so she's just going to try and get back in shape. This is her first time and we're in quarantine, so if anything goes wrong, there's not really anyone that's going to see us there. Oh. And then use this to just wipe it. Just use that to just scrub my eyebrow so you can see, yeah. Wow. Can you carry on, please? out here? Has it gone down a little bit more? No. That bridge there. The arch. Oh gosh, that hurts. Gosh. Go to this one because I haven't got much eyebrows. Anyway. So painful. But guys, the more you do it, the more you get accustomed to it. So if it is your first time, you don't really just completely. Oh. Right guys, I haven't got much eyebrows, so she doesn't need to pluck away because she plucks away. I'm like I've been in intensive care. So guys, the next step is to stand back. So guys, yeah, we're just going to concentrate a bit more on this arch here, but I don't want the video to be like, you know, extremely long for like no really good reason. So she's just going to apply the Bodyshop Seaweed Overnight Gel to just finish off the facial, and just elaborating like what you've done with the face mask. You don't need much because we're not trying to flood our pores because we're literally getting ready for bed. Just like it in. I rub my mouth in as well. And guys, I hope you enjoyed that little tutorial. And just remember, I've got videos coming out daily, so please like, comment and subscribe.